All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 72,470 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. There are some vibrations somewhere in the dash every once in a while. So far it shifts nice and smooth. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. The alignment feels good. It's going nice and straight. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no complaints there. So far it drives really nice. Talking about overspray on the window, this is a good example. If you look back there, it looks really hazy, like it's actually dirty, but it's not. It's fully wiped off, and that is just a bunch of overspray kind of stuck on the glass. And I do hear some sort of humming or whining in the rear. Not quite sure what it is. It's very subtle and kind of comes and goes. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So starting with the front right wheel here. I don't see any curb rash. Looks like it's in really good condition. Date code on the tires, 2025, so they've recently been replaced. Looking at the fender, now when you rub your hand across this, you're going to feel overspray, and it's down the whole side of the car. So this does have a clean Carfax on it, but you can see that the front bumper has been repainted, the hood's been repainted, the alignment is off here, and a quarter panel over there you can see has been repainted, as well as the back bumper. So not quite sure what happened there, but it looks like they masked off the car and just this all got overspray on it. So you can hear the grittiness on this paint, on the glass, everything. So just so you know, kind of notating that. But looking at the fender, looks good. Here on the side mirror, kind of the paint has like a faded look to it, and it has been repainted. There's some dimples in the paint, kind of signs of repaint. Looking at this A-pillar, you do have a dent there. There's little dimples here and there, and it has that texture. You have a large gash here. Looking at the roof, little chips here and there. Here on that pillar. Overall, that looks good. Once again, a lot of texture in the paint from some overspray. You have little gashes throughout. You have some gashes here, little chips. The alignment on this door is off. You can see this is kind of peeling. Looking at this wheel, you do have rash around it. That side looks good. Date code on the tire, 2025. Then you have rash here. And then looking at this back bumper, all this plastic is tore up. The bumper is loose. You can see that all this is busted up inside. So that liner has seen a little better days. There's a larger gash there, gashes here and there. I'm going to look at this front end. Like I said, front bumper and the hood have been repainted. You can see the gap. There's a really large gap across. There's lots of little swirls, so if you get at this angle here, you can see all the repaint stuff here, all the marring, all the swirls from that paint. Looking at that front bumper, typical dimples in the paint from it being resprayed. You're gonna see little swirls and things like that. That headlight looks good. You're gonna see overspray in there. Gotta see where they taped off. That plastic right here is kind of creased, and the gap is off right there. So you can see the texture and the dimples. See, that is cracked. And you can see the damage here. That was resprayed over. So you're gonna have rash kind of all throughout that front bumper. Looking at that fender, a couple little chips. The paint on here is smooth. There's some gashes there. You can see this liner's popping out. A couple chips there. You can see those. There's one missing here, a little clip, and this one's popping out. That one's kind of popping out. Looking at this side mirror, it's been resprayed. You're gonna see some gashes in here. And then this quarter panel has been painted. And if you get close, you're gonna see dimples kind of all throughout. See all the dimples in there. You're gonna see it throughout this whole quarter panel. See how close? I'm gonna try to get close. You're gonna just see those flaws. So this car has a clean Carfax, but this to me indicates something has gone on here, and that quarter panel's been sprayed. Bumper's been sprayed. So it's had some body work done. That's kind of all throughout. Looking at the door, you have a gash right here, some small chips. There's a crease in the door right here, so you have some damage. Maybe hard to see right here. There is a crease in the door there. Got a dent. You're gonna see a lot of hazing in the paint, a lot of kind of swirls from just everyday washing. Looking at that wheel, you have rash. You can see the finish is kind of failing. It's chipping away. And then you're going to see all the texture in the bumper from that respray. You can see that liner's all chewed up and falling apart in there, and it's cracked. You can see all the cracks. So if you get under here, you're going to see that. Texture and kind of trash in the paint, the orange peel. This taillight's really faded. You're gonna see some flaws in here. That looks really good. You got the carbon down here. I do not think it's authentic carbon. So you're gonna see some heavy clear coat runs right there. And the alignment's not quite perfect. Overall though, looks good. So you see all that texture in the paint. There's no gloss to that really. And looking at the deck lid, you have some reverse dings. It looks like something hit it from the inside, as well as some normal dings. Little scuffs and scratches. Then looking at the roof over here, I do see some dings, and some that actually go up, some little kind of mountain reverse dings. A little bit of damage. All right, checking out the interior. Looking at that panel, that's in great condition. Handle looks good. All the buttons are clean. Overall, that panel looks really, really nice. You got the carbon overlay here with the 392. That plastic looks good. That bolster is nice and clean. A little bit of wear right here. Otherwise, that seat is in great condition. Minor stains here and there. Looking at the steering wheel, it is shiny. Doesn't have that matte finish anymore. A little bit of wear here. Looks like all the chrome here is peeling off. Those buttons look amazing. The gauges look good. You're going to see a lot of wear on that screen. A lot of hazing. Those buttons look good. Here on the shifter, it is kind of chewed up. You have some gashes. Typical wear. You have a dent right here and a couple gashes. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the upper side of the dash, that looks great. The headliner looks good. All right, looking at this door panel, upper section, that looks good. All the leather is intact. That looks nice. Got the kind of carbon trim here. When we look at all of the molding here, you're going to see a lot of like kind of fuzz and residue kind of stuck in there. I imagine that could be cleaned out though. Still got the sticker here. Looking at that bolster, looks good. There are some stains in the seat. Otherwise, that seat looks really good. That side of the console's nice. All of that looks good. Upper side of the dash, that looks nice. Headliner looks good. All right, here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. Got that carbon overlay here. Looking at the seats, couple stains, but I don't see any rips or tears. That looks good. Little scuffs on the seat back, but otherwise really nice back here. And then these are kind of popping out. They're broke. And then you do have a crack right here on that light. And then you're going to see kind of some almost rivets holding in that fender liner just a little bit. And checking out the engine bay, you are going to see overspray here along that. And then it's missing all the clips here, but it looks like this got glued on or attached to the bumper. Almost looks like glue in there kind of holding it down. Checking out the rest of the engine bay though. That looks good. Kind of get up close on some of this. The rest that looks nice. I believe it's missing the under hood liner, so you should have a liner under there. Looking in the trunk, you do have some stains. Little plastic pieces, it looks like, possibly from the front bumper. You have a lot of glitter and stuff stuck in here in that carpet. You see typical wear in there. Upper side looks good. Looking in the jams. And then here on the liner, you're going to see it's screwed in, has screws and little clips attaching it.